Have you ever gone through something that made you question your worth? Not just what happened, but how you saw yourself after it. Hello, beautiful people. I'm Renae Williams, and here is where hair care meets healing and confidence becomes a lifestyle. This is part 6 of my Healing Out Loud series, where we are breaking cycles and choosing growth. In the last video, we talked about letting go without guilt. And today, we're talking about what comes next. Because after the hurt, after the release, there's a question many people are left with. How do I rebuild me? Because damage can distort your self-image. Let's be honest. When you've been hurt, especially when you've been hurt repeatedly, it can change how you see yourself. You start to question, was it me? Am I too much? Am I not enough? And if you're not careful, you'll internalize someone else's inability to love you properly and turn it into a reflection of your worth. But let's correct that. What happened to you is not who you are. What you experienced is not your identity. What someone did is not your definition. Your worth was never meant to be determined by how someone else showed up in your life. Wait, I want to say that again more clearly. Your worth was never meant to be determined by how someone else showed up in your life. So now the question becomes, how do I rebuild my self-worth? Well, you rebuild your self-worth by changing the way you speak to yourself, by setting standards, not just for others, but for what you will and will not accept. By choosing yourself consistently, even in small ways. Because self-worth isn't built overnight. It's built in time. And I want you to think about this. Confidence is built, not given. Confidence isn't something you wake up with one day. It's something that you build decision by decision, boundary by boundary, lesson by lesson. Just like a muscle, the more you work it, the stronger it becomes. Because healing isn't just about what you release. It's about what you rebuild. In the next video, we're going to talk about something powerful. Becoming the chain breaker in your family. You're not what you went through. You are who you choose to become after it. If this spoke to you, share it with someone who needs it. And if you are on this journey with me, I would love for you to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Remember, you're more than just a pretty face with curly hair. Stay healing, stay confident. Okay.